Alright, so I couldn't record the DIY. For some reason, when I tried recording, it deleted it. So this is what I did with the little corn from the Dollar Tree, from those Totally Tinies. I cut off the little silver pieces. I would actually recommend leaving the bottom one on there. I did this one before I even thought about it. So don't cut the bottom one off, but take the smaller end, cut that one off, and then you're going to get some of this foliage, I think is what they're calling it at Dollar Tree. You can get whichever one. This one seems to be the one that fits the best and matches better. And of course, you can do whatever you want. But I just hot glued a few of the little leaves on the bottom. You can probably go a little bit further up or get like the longer ones and then cover it all the way up. But I kind of wanted it like this, so I just hot glued a few of the little pieces of greenery at the bottom and just made a little piece of corn. So then you can put it like in a store or, anything like that. I'm going to paint this part green right here just so it looks better. I couldn't figure out a way to make it thinner or smaller at the bottom there, but I think it looks good. So that is just one little quick, easy way to make this, upgrade your little ears of corn from your Totally Tiny sets from Dollar Tree. All right, till next time, be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. Bye, guys.